If your office phone system lives in a desk somewhere, bound by cables you're afraid to touch, running on hardware that was installed years ago, you're paying too much for a number that just rings. Cloud telephony replaces all of that with the internet. No cables tied to the desk, no hardware, just access to the internet, a device, and you can log into the phone system that works from anywhere. That's cloud telephony. Now, let's explore how it works, how it compares to what you have been using now, and what it actually costs to make the switch. In the traditional setup, your calls travel through physical phone lines. Your office has a physical PBX, a box that routes calls to extensions. A telecom carrier manages everything, and all this through wires, towers, and on-premise hardware. In a cloud telephony setup, that PBX coordination simply moves to the internet and becomes VoIP. Your VoIP provider hosts everything in data centers. Your phone numbers, routing, recordings, analytics, all of the data moves in the cloud. You access the phone through a web and mobile app. Your team uses it from their own devices and anywhere. The provider handles maintenance and updates for the smooth flow of services. You only have to use it. So it's also known as hosted VoIP and cloud PBX. Different names, same workflow. But here's what changes when you move from an on-premise phone system to the cloud: the cost. On-premise PBX requires $500 to $5,000 upfront for hardware, depending upon the number of phone lines, plus $200 or more per month for lines and maintenance. Cloud telephony starts at zero hardware, $12 to $40 per user per month. Next, setup time. An on-premise phone system takes days to weeks with technician visits. Cloud takes minutes with a web sign-up before you can start making calls. Then comes scalability. Adding a phone line for a new member means hardware and the addition of a new carrier line to your PBX. On the cloud, you simply invite the new member to the phone, and in under a minute, they are connected. Also, the maintenance. On-premise means you own hardware failures and security patches, so you regularly allocate budget for the system's maintenance. Using the cloud means your provider handles everything. If any issues arise while you use it, you reach out to the support and everything gets resolved virtually. And not to forget, remote working capabilities. An on-premise phone system locks you to your office, but the cloud connects you from anywhere you are working with the internet. A prospect once told us that they spent $3,200 a month on their on-premise phone system for a 20-person team. Now they have moved to cloud telephony. The new cost covers everything at $640 a month. Better calling capabilities, advanced tools, AI features, and 80% savings. What's better in the modern cloud phone system beyond basic calling? Let's find out. They have an inbuilt, anytime customizable IVR and auto attendant, where you can yourself add call menus and route callers to the designated representative or voice response. Call recording can be automated for training, compliance, and reference. Analytics updates in real-time dashboards displaying number metrics and performance. SMS and MMS work in the same phone for business texting with phone numbers. CRM integrations make logging calls and syncing contacts effortless and automated. And now, AI features are becoming standard. Call transcription, summaries, sentiment analysis, and AI-powered responses. If your current phone system can't do any of this, it's not a phone system anymore. It's simply another phone line from the past we are moving away from. Because every industry is moving towards AI-powered phone systems gradually. Retail chains are managing multi-location phones from one dashboard. Healthcare organizations are sending appointment reminders and routing calls securely. Educational institutions are connecting campuses. Tech companies are managing globally distributed teams on it. Real estate agents are making calls from different numbers while using one system. Now, the question isn't really, should we switch? It's already, why haven't we switched yet? And KrispCall has already connected tens of thousands of global businesses on its cloud system. Using one dashboard, businesses are managing markets with local numbers across 100-plus countries, analyzing all call activities in real time, listening to recordings, reading AI summaries, and managing the entire team's phone access without a complex setup. No server room, no hardware technician, no PBX box, just a device and a reliable internet connection. Cloud telephony is becoming the default. If you're still using on-premise, the switch saves money, adds features, and porting takes less time than you think. KrispCall plans start from $12 a month with a free number and a startup Elevate program for emerging businesses. Link in the description. Subscribe for more cloud phone guides.